Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Nursery To Varsity. Today we will explore two most lightweight distros of Linux, that are bodhi Linux and tinycore. So let's go and download these distros. Now open your web browser. Now search for download bodhi Linux. Open the very first link appear in the Google. Here you can download the standard release. You can also use torrent or MD5, that does not make any difference. So I'm using standard release download. And within some time you will see your download has been started. You can see. Now let's take you to the downloaded file and install that in Oracle VirtualBox. So we have downloaded the bodhi Linux ISO file. Let's go and locate it. So you can see it's there in downloads folder. So let's go and try it at Oracle VirtualBox. Now open Oracle VM VirtualBox. Maximize it and click on new. Give name as bodhi. Select Linux and select version as Linux 2.464-bit. Click on next and I think 2 GB RAM would be enough for it. Click on next. Click on create. Click on next. Click on next. And I think 8 GB space would be enough. Open this virtual machine. Now locate the ISO file we have just downloaded. And select bodhi and click on start. It will automatically start to boot it in VirtualBox. Now you have to select live. As it is very lightweight Linux, so within seconds it would start to boot. Although it's really very lightweight Linux, but you can see the quality of graphics has not been compromised. Now you can see it started with the documentation session. You can cross it, and now you can see the desktop of bodhi Linux after installation. Click on desktop, select applications, system tools and terminology, and you can see the terminal for bodhi Linux has been open for you. Now you can perform basic tasks upon that, like mkdir, it's working fine. So that's all for bodhi Linux. You can perform all the basic actions that can be performed in Linux, any other Linux operating system. So let's go and check for tinycore Linux. Now open your web browser, type download tinycore Linux. Click on the very first link that appears in the Google. And you have to download the core x86 release files. And you have to select core 10.1 ISO file. You can see it's only 13.2 megabytes file. And you can see the download has been started. And within just seconds, it just downloaded the file. Now let's go and install it in Oracle VM VirtualBox. Open VM VirtualBox. Click on New. Type tiny core as name, and it's automatically select type and version for you. Click on Next. Follow the on-screen instructions. Click on Create. Create next. Next. And create. And click on Tiny Core. Locate the file that we have just downloaded. So it's click on Start. Click Enter for boot. It's all done. We are right now running the Tiny Core Linux operating system. That's obviously command line interface, but it's good if you really want to master all the concepts of Linux. That's all for today's lecture. Hope you have enjoyed watching this lecture. If you have any queries, feel free to ask them all in comment section below, or mail us at nur2var@gmail.com. Like, share, subscribe, and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Thank you. Stay tuned.